If you need a threaded bolt and a wedge or sleeve anchor won't work, an adhesive anchor may be the solution to the problem. This 3/8 inch stainless steel rod was used to make a custom anchor to secure a porch post. To successfully install an adhesive anchor, choose the adhesive designed for the material you are working with: concrete, concrete masonry, or stone. Dry or wet conditions. Consider air and material temperatures. In hot conditions, some adhesives can set up in less than 2 minutes. I used Epcon A7 Plus for my project. I purchased it at the local hardware store. I'll make an additional video showing the application of that product.
Because the adhesive is thicker than caulking, you'll need a heavy-duty gun that's able to push the adhesive out of the tube.
Some cartridges require a special dispensing tool. After choosing the correct adhesive, you'll have to do some engineering to determine the correct anchor size, hole size, the depth of the anchor, the hole spacing, and the minimum distance from the edge of the material you are using. Often, the datasheet for the adhesive will provide design guidelines.
Masonry drill bits are needed. I was able to use my light-duty drill on the hammer setting. If a lot of holes need to be drilled or they're large, you may consider renting a heavy-duty drill.
After the hole is drilled, the dust and debris must be removed. I did 3 to 4 cycles of brushing inside and blowing the dust out with a bicycle pump. Use a nylon brush, not a metal one. Special brushes can be purchased. Blow the dust out with an oil-free air compressor, a pump, or canned air. Wearing safety glasses and a dust mask are a good idea. I did a final cleaning by flushing the hole out with water. The mixing nozzle combines the 2 parts of the adhesive. Dispense the adhesive until the color is uniform. Then, to prevent air pockets, fill the hole starting at the bottom until it's about 2/3 full. I marked the 2/3 point on the nozzle with a piece of tape. Then twist the bolt, rod, or rebar into the hole. If excess adhesive needs to be removed, just scrape it away with a putty knife before it sets up. Extra mixing nozzles are available for some brands. If the adhesive sets up in the nozzle before you're finished, you may have some extra working time by installing a new nozzle. Wait for the curing time to expire and then assemble your project.
I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.